A man and a woman were caught while trying to break into this house. Thankfully, the neighbors intervened, stopping them from gaining entry. The doorbell footage captures the man and woman's attempted break-in.
I'm saying I could throw one, throw something easily in this people. You know, the mirror, but I like to keep it from those, but it's people that know you already. Especially out there, prison building. This one know what you can do. You know what I'm saying? You have the risk from the.
The resident watched this on the camera and asks the neighbor to investigate. When confronted, the intruders retreat after claiming they knew the residents.
Hey, what y'all doing back there? What y'all doing back there?
Nah, that's our people here.
How is it y'all people and y'all leaving? You want me to call the laws on you? Okay, who stay here?
Clearly, they didn't consider the likelihood of being recorded. Eventually, they depart and are not spotted again. A weird scene plays out before us. There's a strange lady standing at their door, prompting us to question her reasons for being there.
Hi. It's Olivia.
She remains at the door well into the night, which is quite unsettling.
I needed to ask something. Hello? Can I ask Aaron something, please?
Eventually, she leaves, disappearing into the night's darkness, and leaves behind confusion. In this doorbell footage, a young man approaches the door, knocking and patiently awaiting the owner. This event took place on a bright, sunny day. He asks if the lawn requires cutting. The man departs after the resident declines his offer courteously.
Hi, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I was just wondering if y'all need your grass cut.
Oh, we're good.
Okay.
It looks like we do, but we'll do it. Thank you.
Have a nice...
Yet, he returns but to the backyard lawn shortly after, this time with his jacket removed, seemingly the same individual. Using the jacket to obscure his face, he surveys the area. Subsequently, he proceeds to take the lawnmower, despite the scene's haziness. This disturbing video captures a bold theft and trespassing incident that occurs under the darkness of night. A person strides confidently toward a residence, intently eyeing a valuable Ring camera installed outside. With determined courage, they repeatedly try to remove it, using a combination of brute strength and smart strategies in their persistent effort. This alarming occurrence underscores the vital importance of protecting our homes and the valuable items within them. In June of 2019, several residences in Chicago were visited by a man posing as an investigator named Jeff Rushmore. The issue, however, is that such a person does not exist. He was pretending to be an investigator affiliated with the local police department, complete with counterfeit uniform, badge, and police radio. This act was captured by a Ring camera.
Can you open the door?
26, I got you en route. Hilton Park District 821 is going to be the sixth person. 900 North Villa. 900 North Villa. Looks like PD is with them and can have him in custody. Still at 84. Unit alarm 4739 Forest, 4739, that's Forest across the Chicago Prairie. Called in by a resident. Nothing showing. Engine 103.
640 George, the individual's not answering the door.
The homeowner doesn't respond to the door, but the man maintains his act, even simulating a callback to report the homeowner's lack of response. Another house nearby, equipped with a Ring doorbell camera, recorded the same individual. This time, the homeowner opened the door.
Hi, sorry to bother you so late. Rushmore with the Winfield Police Department. I'm an investigator. One of your neighbors down the street reported a missing.
The video ends there. The man details a supposed missing person case, and when the homeowner denies any knowledge, the interaction concludes. The reasons for his impersonation remain unclear. Cases like this often involve individuals attempting to make people feel safe enough to open their doors, only to rob them or worse. Yet, he did not follow through with such actions, and his true intentions are a mystery. One commenter speculated, "I honestly believe he was testing the waters, and as he felt more confident, he would have escalated from getting people to open their door to entering into people's homes to only God knows what next." Despite ongoing investigations, the man has yet to be identified. On February 2, 2022, a contractor in Houston was renovating a townhome. Around 6 p.m., he reported that an unidentified man, masked and armed, abruptly entered the townhome. This intruder then coerced the contractor into a bathroom and restrained him by tying his hands and feet. Subsequently, he searched the townhome for more than an hour, continuously monitoring a police scanner to ensure that no police were approaching. Surveillance footage recorded the entire incident. Upon pilfering various belongings from the homeowners who were away at the time, the individual stumbled upon the contractor's keys and absconded with his truck, now laden with the stolen items. Although authorities never apprehended the perpetrator, they did recover the stolen truck. It was discovered, abandoned, in a nearby restaurant parking lot 2 days later. Yet, since then, no further evidence has surfaced. On a rainy morning in 2020, a Ring camera recorded a woman approaching a house and persistently pressing the doorbell. Oddly, she held her mouth wide open for most of the time, leaving viewers uncertain if she was under the influence of drugs or possibly exhibiting signs of an illness. After waiting briefly, she turns and walks away. As she turns, the woman appears to place her fingers in her mouth, suggesting she may have been in discomfort, a notion supported by several commenters on a Reddit thread where the video was first shared. Other commenters speculated that she could have been sleepwalking, perhaps due to strong sleeping pills, and it was conceivable she had been out all night, given the 6:00 a.m. timestamp on the video. Nevertheless, it remains uncertain whether the woman was genuinely seeking assistance or had other intentions. This video took place in Nevada and shows two young men approaching a residence. One of them covers his face before forcefully kicking the door open, oblivious to the presence of multiple occupants inside. They quickly fled the scene. Listen to the homeowner's response. Looks like you need a stronger door frame. In the Bronx, New York, a concerning incident took place. It was captured by a Ring camera positioned outside an apartment. Initially, an individual knocked on the door. Following that, they stepped outside, grabbed a large, heavy object, and returned to strike the door with it before ultimately departing.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Probably occurring during the 2016 killer clown phenomenon. This Ring doorbell captured the precise moment an individual in a clown outfit approached the front door. The individual tilts their head and advances slowly towards the door, almost constantly maintaining eye contact with the camera. Although it appears to be a mere attempt to frighten people, there remains a slight possibility that there's something more nefarious at play. As of now, it's still uncertain if the homeowner encountered any further incidents related to this event.